Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will start a new chapter, that is time. Yes students, before starting this chapter I want to show you some pages of your old book that you have done in class 3. Yes, already you are familiar with this concept. Let's remind those, recall these topics. Yes, look at the following activities, write down your time of doing these. Yes, this is that is, yes, here is one boy that is doing the exercise. Yes, or you can see this at which time you will do exercise, and we can say that in the morning at 6 o'clock you do exercise. This is the playing time. In the evening you play at 5 o'clock. Yes, this is the sleeping time. Yes, means at 10 night you are going to sleep. This is the school going time at 8 o'clock. It is the time of the school. This is the watching TV. Yes, here you can write at 8 evening you can watch the TV. This is the studying time. At 4 o'clock you can do the study. Yes, like this is the different types of the times. At different times you do the different activities. Yes friends, now here is telling the time. How we tell the time? You can see there are 12 numbers on the face of a clock. Yes, you can see the clock at your homes also. Everywhere you can see this, and you can see the 12 numbers on the face of the clock. There are two hands on a clock, short hand and a long hand. Yes, the short hand is called the hour hand. Yes, short hand is called the hour hand. I am going to show the one clock. Yes, you can see here this short hand, this is called hour hand, and this is the long hand, this is called minute hand. This is called minute hand. Yes, long hand is called hour hand. It takes 1 hour to move from a number to the next number. Thus, it takes 12 hours to complete the one round. Yes, when here is 12, when it will take one round and it will come again on 12, then it will take how many hours? It will complete 12 hours. Yes, it will complete 12 hours. Yes, now you can see in one day 24 hours are there. In one day 24 hours are there. Yes, the long hand is called the minute hand. Here you can see one long hand is there. This is called the minute hand. Yes, it completes one round in 1 hour. Yes, means 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Some clocks and watches have a very thin long hand moving faster than the minute hand. This hand is called second hand. It completes one round in 1 minute. You can see in this picture, this short hand is hour hand, this long hand is minute hand, and one more thin hand you can see here, this is called second hand. This is the hand of the seconds, and it takes 60 seconds to complete 1 minute. So we can say that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And yes friends, one more topic is there, that time in hours. Whenever time is there, we are having different ways to tell that time. When the minute hand is at 12 and the time is in full hours. Yes, you can see here minute hand is at 12 and the time is in full hours. Then here you can see what is the time here. We will say that it is 7 o'clock. The time is 7 o'clock. We can write like this, the time is 7 o'clock, or 7 2 dots and 0 0. It means also that time is 7 o'clock. Yes, then time in half hours. Half hours means when 30 minutes are there. When the minute hand is at 6 and the time is in half hours. When minute hand, long hand is minute hand, when it is at 6, it means 30 minutes are there. Yes, it means 30 minutes are there. And short hand you can see it is between 1 or 2. When short hand is between 1 or 2 digits, then we will go with the small number. Yes, there is 1. Yes, we will move with the previous number, that is 1. Now the time you can say 1:30. The time is 1:30. But in mathematical language we will say the time is half past, because 30 minutes are called half past. 30 मिनट्स बीत चुके हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड half past. So time is 1:30. When someone is saying that half past 1, it means the time is 1:30. Yes. Then time in quarter past. When the minute hand is at 3 and the time is quarter past an hour. When this long hand is at 3, minute hand is at 3. Now here you can see the minute hand is at 3 and the hours hand is at 8. So the time is here 8:15. Time is here 8:15. But in mathematical language we will say the time is quarter past 8 because 15 minutes are called quarter. 15 minutes are called quarter. So the time is quarter past 8. Yes. Now the next is time in quarter 2. Yes, this is very important. Listen it carefully. When the minute hand is at 9 and the time is quarter to an hour, you can say when the minute hand is at 9. Yes, and you can say then how you will tell the time. Here you can see the time is 3:45. The time is 3:45. But in mathematical language we will write this, the time is quarter to 4. The time is quarter to 4. Yes, means अभी 4 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी हैं. It means 3:45 is there. Yes, quarter to. Quarter to means yet 15 minutes left to 4. 4 o'clock होने में 15 minutes yet left. So that the time is 3:45. Yes friends. Now we will do the sums of the exercise 12.1 that is given in your book. Yes, first sum. Look at the activities in the table below. Then tick mark whether each one takes 1 second or more than 1 second. Yes, blinking your eyes. अपनी आँखों को झपकना. How much time it takes? It takes 1 second or more than 1 second. As already we know, it will take 1 second. So we will tick in the box of 1 second. Yes, if there is writing your name once, then it will take more than 1 second. So we will tick here. And other parts you will do by yourself. Yes. Now see next sum. What is there? Draw the missing second hand on the given clocks. Draw the missing second hand on the given clocks. Yes, here you can see this red color hand is hour hand. Yes, and blue color is minute hand and green is second hand. We have to tell regarding second hand. Second hand के बारे में हमने बताना है. Yes, here is this clock is there and here one arrow we will see this clock 15 seconds later. Later means बाद में, 15 सेकेंड बाद में. Where will be this second hand? ये second hand कहाँ पे होगा जब 15 सेकेंड हो चुके होंगे. Then where will be the 15? It will be on 3. Now with the green color you will draw this and you will draw this second hand. Yes. Now 25 seconds later it will be on 5. Yes. Then 45 seconds later, 45 seconds later means it will be on 9. It will be on 9. These arrows you will draw with the help of the green color. Yes friends. Now see one more sum, that is sum number 3. How many seconds have passed as the second hand moves from one number to the other? Yes, here you can see one clock is drawn. Here red color is of hour hand and blue is of minute hand and green is of seconds hand. Yes, now green hand is here on 12. Yes, now in this arrow is there, we will see this clock. Here our second hand is on 10. Then how many how many seconds have been passed? Firstly it was there, from here it arrived to 10. Then how many seconds passed? 12 to 1, 5 seconds, 1 to 2, 5 seconds, 2 to 3, 5 seconds, like this. How many seconds will be there up to here? 50 seconds. Now 50 seconds later, after 50 seconds later, the second hand will be here. Yes, now you can see it was on 12 and here in this clock it's again on 12, means it has taken one round complete. Then one round complete means 60 seconds has been passed. Yes, so 60 seconds later. Now here you can see, firstly it was on 12, our hand green color, second hand green color, it is on 12, then it is on 5. Then from 12 to 5, then how many seconds have been passed? 25 seconds has been passed. So here we will write 25 seconds. Yes students, like this you will do these sums, and you will do these sums in your book only. No need to do these sums in the notebook. You will do these sums in the book only. So complete these sums. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.